Alright, okay, we are able to use the table format to actually determine the nature of the stationary point. Now I'm going to teach you another method known as the second derivative test. Well, sounds very cheap, but you learned this just 2 days ago. Huh? What is the second derivative test? Can you remember what is the second derivative? What is it? Very good. That means you differentiate the gradient function for the second term. Alright, based on the second derivative test, if the second derivative is actually a positive value, I can tell you, you can conclude this will be a minimum point or minimum value. Similarly, if the second derivative test is less than 0, obviously it must be a inflection. If the second derivative test gives you positive value, you will conclude that it's a minimum point. If it's less than 0, it must be a maximum point. Do you have another question? Oh, you just take it. I don't want to show you why. You want to know why? Go to the textbook and read 3 pages. They will tell you why. Okay? Now, the second derivative test only has these 2. It doesn't have equal 0. So the thing now is, if it's equal to 0, what happens? You cannot conclude it's a point of inflection. It's not conclusive enough to say that. So die must go back and use the table. If it's a point of inflection, you cannot conclude and say second derivative is equal to 0, it's a point of inflection. That's a big no-no. What must we do? If it's not this category, you need to go and do your table because it is most likely a point of inflection. How to use this, I'm going to show you with an example later. Okay, I'm going to show you with an example later. And take note. Second derivative. Are you very good with differentiation? If you are very good with differentiation, okay. If I want to differentiate this for the second term, is it easy? Yes. We can use the second derivative is 1. But if I'm already using quotient rule, product rule for the first derivative, and you still want to use quotient rule and product rule for the second derivative, do you think you want to do that? No, because it's only going to be 1 mark for determining the nature of the particular value of point. Okay, that is why the second derivative test is not applicable for all kinds of questions. But this is applicable for all kinds of questions. Right?